G'day, how you going? It's Rob here in Sydney with Jerry's down there. I'm going to test out this newer filter kit that I bought last week. It's about 96 bucks, I think. It was 100 bucks or something. So I'm in Balmain again. I don't know how I keep coming here, but this is the other side of Balmain and you can see the city from here. And what I've got here then is the newer filter kit. It's just like a entry-level filter kit, which is pretty good actually. I've done a little bit of a test in the morning when I woke up for the sunrise for the GND, the graduated ND filter. So without the graduating filter it was 1/500 speed, and then with it was 1/200 speed. So you can see it cut out the top part of the light. You see there, gets blown out. So if you put the filter there, it drops it a bit. It cuts out the light at the top just a little smidge, not too much. Anyway, that's sunset. Roberto's attempt at sunset. Jerry, are you waiting patiently? You want to go for a walk, don't you? Yes, because it's early morning and you want to go for a walk. Hey? Of course you want to go for a walk. Oh, that good girl. Look, Jerry, the top half of you is... Now that's an 8 GND8, so that's 3 stops. Now, the way to figure out the stops, I mean, I'm no biologist, but mathematically, it's ND2 is 1 stop, and then you just double it from then on. So ND4 is 2 stops, ND8 is 3 stops, 16 is 4, 32, 64. It came with, I can't remember, I'll write it here. And the GND, graduated ND filter, that's for like sunsets and sunrises, which I tried this morning and miserably failed. Hey Jerry, huh? You see the city views? Yes, you see the city views, Jerry. You see the city views. I know you get scared. Alright, let's go for a walk. It comes with a little pouch here. You can clip it on your belt or your bag. It's got velcros too, so I'll clip it here for quick access. Like that. Yes, hey Jerry. Clever Rob. Now I had to buy a step-up ladder. My pro lens is 62, but I bought a 67mm just in case. The bigger the better actually. I was going to get the 72, but they're out of stock, because the 72 actually fits my bazooka, the diameter. But I thought, Jerry, when am I ever going to use a filter on the old bazooka? Never. So I just got 67, and I needed to step it up. Jerry, look, you screw on the attachment bit, and then that's it. You leave it, and now you just click, Jerry, click, and we take a photo. You can see if I turn it, it's kind of dimming, it's, the horizon. So you just got to make sure that it's like that, left and right and even. And it's just giving, with 3 stops, it's just giving you a little bit extra leeway, because I know what I'm going to do is I'm going to really have to pull it back more, especially the sunrise photo that I took this morning in post. Graduated ND 3-stop filter, GND8. Let's take a photo. You know what, I don't even need a tripod for this. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Like that's another thing, Jerry. 10 o'clock in the morning is the stupidest time to come out, I'm telling you now. But it's when me and Jerry like to go out in the morning. After our big walk, we like to head into the city. I know, Jerry. We're supposed to come in the golden times, the golden hour. but I like to enjoy the day. Huh? You get hot, Jerry. What's the matter? You get too hot, Jerry, I know. Today's supposed to be 33, for crying out loud. It's like beginning of spring and it's 33 already. Talk about the dramatic end to winter. Just like within the space of 3 days, it went from winter to summer. I think they just skipped spring. Anyway, so what I'll do, I'll take one here without the filter, and just to show you that in today's modern technology, you don't really need bloody filters. I mean, they give you an extra little bit of leeway. I mean, imagine then also if you have the Fandangle new cameras. This is EM1 Mark II. The dynamic range isn't that great compared to like all the new ones. How good's that bloody G9 Mark II? Just came out. Unreal. I saw Emily talk about it. I see a few people talk about it. I saw Dwayne, the Aussie guy. He did it for wildlife and for birding, and he got pretty good shots. But Tony Northrup and his girlfriend, I don't know, they got shit shots. I don't know what was going on there. I think Dwayne's a better photographer, but he was saying that he was missing focus, the old Northrup. But Dwayne was getting it. He said that it wasn't sticky though. I'm talking about the G9 Mark II from Panasonic. Hey Jerry. It looks tempting. The old Micro Four Thirds isn't dead yet. That's what I reckon. Like I said, what was I talking about? Oh, the dynamic range with filters. The main thing with the filters is for really video to get that shutter speed, if you know what I mean. And also the other thing for ND filters is to make the water glassy, so to get a longer exposure, if you know what I mean. Jerry, I know you don't like the bird. The bloody birds, Jerry. Careful, Jerry. You get scared. Jerry. Quickly. Bloody bird. Jerry, you get attacked by the birds. Look, Jerry, magpie. Huh. Opportunistic shot there, Jerry, of the old magpie. Here's your arch enemy, the magpie who attacked you. You want to go down that way? Yeah. Alright, let's go. You don't like climbing, walking on the bloody stairs. I have to carry you, Jerry. Yes, I know you get scared, but you got the little tippy tail. We go down the stairs. I know the stairs, when the stairs are graded, Jerry can see through it and she freaks out. So she doesn't like crossing over graded stairs. Go get him, Jerry. But if we go down onto that wharf there, oh, I'm already starting to get dizzy. I have really bad balance. I have a problem with my my right ear. I'm partially deaf in my right ear. Yeah, not many people know that, but hey Jerry, but this wobbly thing is starting to freak me out a bit. Hey, you got your sea legs? I see the colour there. You see the colour as well of the wharf. And then, yeah, I think that way's better. Filter, ring, magnetic, tripod, miniature, easy. Jerry, filter, ND64. Click, 12-second timer, 1 second shot, F22. That's what I'm trying to get anyway. Good girl. Yes, you have a good drink. That's a good drink. Good girl. What's happened? They've been back burning. That's not normal, that haze. I mean, I think the last 3 days people couldn't even breathe. That's how bad it was. Because of the smoke from the back burning. It's affecting my photography, Jerry. It's not good enough. Let's go this way. I snuck a people photo in. I think people are more interesting, like I said. I've always said it in every video. That's why I kind of like street photography, even though I'm a bit of a chicken every time I do it. But yeah, it just adds a bit more, I don't know. Jerry, look! Jerry, Big Charlie. Yeah, Jerry, Big Charlie, this way. Okay, what the hell's this? Looks like a Norse helmet. The helmet of the gods. I don't know what the hell it is. I'll have to read about it. It'll make for a good shot. Hey Jerry, let's do the old juxtaposition and see what I can get. I thought I'd get that and the juxtaposition, maybe a long angle, short angle, fill the frame, just some experimentation. That's what it's all about, Jerry. It's all about experimentation when you're out there. See what looks good, see if something catches your eye. If it doesn't, then so be it. I've got my polarizer as well, circular, to get rid of that glare, but I really could not be bothered putting bloody filters on anymore. I probably should use a point and shoot. That's my style. Actually, a rangefinder would be good. I'll put that in the cart. Rangefinder. Look, Jerry, Chumpy. Jerry, you see Chumpy? Hey, Jerry, have a little kiss. You're having a little kiss, Jerry. Cheeky girl. Oh yeah, is that a boy? Ah, Jerry, boyfriend. Jerry. Alright. Jerry, we go this way. Oh shit, Jerry. The stairs. You reckon you can manage it? Yes. Good girl. There's two types of graduated ND filters. There's the hard one and the soft one. Now what that means is, careful Jerry, what that means is it gradually goes from dark to light, and the hard ones is like a solid line. Jerry, you get scared. You made it halfway, Jerry. Can't you make the rest? She's really scared. Is the hard line, a bit like these stairs here. Speaking of the devil, it's a hard line between the top and the bottom, so the softer ones are better, I reckon, because you get that graduating and you can easily disguise that you're not using a filter, if you know what I mean. If you have a hard line one, sometimes you can actually see, not that I've ever used one, but oh shit, Jerry, look at the more stairs. Stone statues of ancient waves, tongues like dingoes on shore. That's the famous saying by Wally Dingo. With Keystone, if you don't know about Keystone, if your lens isn't facing directly 90 degrees to the subject, if you tilt it up or tilt it down, then you get that parallelogram. They call it Keystone. Something to do with science. I'm no biologist, like I said. I'm no fractologist, but that's how that works. I think this is a better photo here. Jerry, have you processed those photos yet? Huh? Hey Jerry, she does all my processing for me. Hey Jerry. Alright, so this little Neewer kit that I got from Amazon, it's about $90 and it comes also extra with a beauty filter. Well, not really, it's called a black mist, something like that. Black mist, it's that one. That's the 6-stop. Click. See how it's darker? 3 stops. That one is the GND8, which is 2, 4, 6. That's 3 stops. Or as in America, 3 stops. Inglorious Bastard reference. It's a Tarantino reference. Sorry about that. And then this is the beauty one. Black Diffusion, 1/4. Whatever the hell that means. So let's have a look at it. Ugly. Beautiful. There you go. Let's just see what Jerry looks like. Hey. Oh, you cheeky bum. Oh, you. Mwah. Does Jerry look better? You can't improve on Jerry. Hey, Jerry always looks good. So that's, yeah, that comes with the kit. I don't know why, but black diffusion, it kind of just makes everything a little bit blurrier, I guess, or it diffuses the light to give you that retro kind of film look, I guess. Jerry, anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Jerry, you want to say goodbye? No.